and welcome to Conference Compass. Great to have you here. In this video, you will learn how to use the speaker dashboard during a live session. How to access the speaker dashboard. After you have been invited as a speaker by the organizer, you receive an email to access your speaker dashboard. Sign in or create an account using the same email address as the one you have been invited with. If you are invited for multiple sessions, you will receive an email for each invitation. However, you will find all sessions within the same account. After signing in, click on the event name to find all the sessions you have been invited to. On the speaker dashboard, you can make a pre-recording of your presentation prior to the conference and participate in the session live during the conference. In this video, we will focus on the live part of the session. If you are interested in how to pre-record, you will find it in a separate video. We advise you to access the speaker dashboard in Chrome or Microsoft Edge. To avoid distractions, we advise closing other applications and turning off your notifications. Please make sure to use the same computer and internet connection before and during the conference, as different settings can change your experience. At the bottom in the middle, you can control your camera and microphone. With this arrow on the side, another video or audio source can be selected if needed. Make sure to position the camera at eye level and avoid a backlight. In the lower left corner, you can see three modes available for speakers: Present Live, Pre-Record, and Audience View. To participate in live sessions, you only need Present Live and Audience View. The Pre-Record tab will disappear as soon as the moderator opens the room. This usually happens about 15 minutes prior to the start of the session. In the Present Live mode, you are online once you have opened your dashboard. You can be heard by other speakers and moderators who have also entered their dashboards. For your live presentation, you can either upload PDF slides or share your screen. PDF slides can be uploaded in this slide frame. And you can share your screen by clicking this button in the lower right corner. If you have a presentation with animations or would like to use a pointer, share your entire screen. If you would like to share an online video, please select the Chrome tab to enable the audio. There are two modes with which you can present live. These are controlled by the moderators. The first option is the speaker mode. In this mode, only the selected speaker or moderator will show up in the speaker frame. This means that only the selected speaker is broadcasted to the audience. Keep in mind that while you are not the selected speaker, you can still be heard by everyone if you are not muted. The second option is the panel mode. In this mode, all speakers who have enabled their camera or microphone will appear together in a grid. If you do not want to participate in the panel, all you need to do is simply disable both your microphone and camera. Now, following Present Live, we are going to take a look at the Audience View. In the Audience View, you can watch the session when the other speakers are presenting. Please note that if you are not muted, the audience can still hear you. This means that you can also participate in the panel from the Audience View. If the panel mode is enabled and you are selected as the active speaker, you will be brought back to Present Live. In order to guide you during the session, some tags will appear on your dashboard to indicate the status of the room and the speakers. For example, the Live tag will show up if we are broadcasting. If the moderator is in the panel discussion mode, the panel tag will show up. The You Are Presenting tag will show up if you are the selected speaker. When another speaker is selected, you can go back to the Audience View. Lastly, we have the interactive features on the speaker dashboard. In the Chat tab, There are two types of chats. In the attendees chat, attendees, speakers, and moderators can post messages. In the speakers chat, only the moderators and speakers can post messages, like a green room. Please note that messages cannot be deleted. In the Q&A tab, attendees, speakers, and moderators can submit questions. When a question is submitted, it needs to be approved by the assigned chair first. Once questions are approved, they will appear under the Visible tab. The heart icon indicates how many times a question was upvoted by the attendees. The Attendees tab shows a list of the attendees within that session. It can be that the session's moderator disabled certain interactive features. In that case, they won't appear for you. You will find information on the Voting Questions option in a separate video. This concludes the video on how to present live. Thank you for listening.